stars into that serenity. Their lost time forever buried. She rambled 1,000 times, a million miles searching for light.
You? I must be dreaming again. Oh, it's not a dream? Let me pinch you. It wasn't even that bad. So, where have you been? I couldn't contact you at all. I thought you went into a no-hunt zone again. Or something bad happened and you retreated into your shell. What else did you want me to say? Welcome back? I missed you while you were gone. I missed you so much. Say whatever you want. If you don't say anything, I'll assume we're playing red light, green light. Say whatever you want. I can hear you breathing. I can hear it right next to my ear, even though it's faint. right next to my ear, even though it's faint.